In this video, we're introducing Mode's latest keyboard, the Tempo, and I'm super excited to share my experience with it. The Tempo is a 60% HHKB layout with a sleek and symmetrical design. I've had several mechanical keyboards before, but my introduction to Mode's Envoy keyboard earlier this year completely won me over with its style, feel, quality, and customization options. So I'm really excited to dive into Mode's new board, the Tempo. We'll unbox the Mode Tempo, highlight its standout features, and of course, do a sound test. Let's jump right in. What's great about Mode keyboards is that the board itself actually comes in a really nice carrying case. Mine came pre-built, but if you plan to assemble it, expect to find all the necessary tools conveniently stowed in the pockets. I opted for the Anthracite Keycaps, which are designed to provide a responsive, quiet, and snappy typing experience. I absolutely adore the sleek appearance. The case itself feels nice to the touch and has some weight to it. The Tempo starts from $259 and you can literally customize it to your heart's content. I went with the silver case, but if you're building your Tempo, there are plenty of color options to choose from. I really like the silver, and for an extra $10, the cream color is also quite nice. You can even customize the accent color, and I went with gold, but honestly any accent color you choose will look great. Additionally, the Tempo includes silicone feet inspired by a vintage ribbon microphone, adding to its overall sleek appearance. I also selected the POM plate along with the tactile Tomorrow switches for my keyboard. The Tomorrow tactile switches are quick and responsive and make a satisfying clicking sound. The keyboard has a typing angle of 5.8 degrees and a front height of 19.4 millimeters, which gives it a unique floating effect when viewed from the side. It looks really cool. I also selected Mode's Anthracite Keycaps. The overall look gives it sort of a vintage vibe, which I thought matched nicely to the aesthetic of my office. Mode has also incorporated their Lattice block mount system into this keyboard. They partner with Carbon 3D to create special typing blocks that are both bouncy and firm using a 3D printing technology called Carbon DLS. This same technology was used to make products like the Adidas Futurecraft 4D midsole, which is pretty amazing. There are two types of blocks to choose from. One provides a flexible typing experience and it's called the Lattice block mount, while the other offers a firmer and more responsive feel and is called the solid block mount. In this version, the Lattice block mount has been improved with larger holes, giving you the option to make it either more flexible or stiffer depending on the blocks you choose. Now that we covered some of the specs and features of this board, how does it actually sound? Overall though, I love this new keyboard. As someone who is a novice in the keyboard space, this makes me want to dive deeper and learn more about what goes into a good board. The attention to detail and overall craftsmanship of this new board made me a true fan, and honestly, this board is now a staple on my desk. And a big thank you to Mode for giving me the opportunity to test this board out early. And if you're interested in checking this board out for yourself, pre-orders have already opened up and its shipping date is scheduled for December of this year. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.